Hi friends, let me show you. This is a DC stabilizer for 12 volt. So from here, this is the input voltage we have given here. You can see here. So here is the input terminals we have given, and here is that output terminals. So if you don't have a multimeter, you don't have to worry, because this is the knob where you can adjust the voltage according to the required voltage. Okay, so you can bring it down to 12 volt. So for every appliances, please try to give at least 12.4 or 12.3, so to keep it in a proper current flow. And here you can see this voltage remains constant. Suppose the input voltage, if you reduce to 11.4 volt or 11 volt, still you will get at the output 12.4 volt. At the morning time, when the solar charge controller gives a float voltage of 14.4 volt, at that time what happens, your appliances also may get damage at the daytime, because from the solar charge controller you are going to get 14.4 volt. So when the 14.4 volt comes here, it will step down to again to this 12.4. so always you will get this 12.4 constant at your DC appliances. For that's the reason this is known as DC stabilizer system. Thank you very much.